Howdy kids! My name's Eric Lyon and I'm here today with Grant Kay, and welcome back to another episode of our how-to series.
Today we'll be doing some pumpkin painting, and in particular, since it's Halloween, we'll be painting a black cat.
Now that we have our paintbrushes ready, we're going to begin the painting process. Step 1, we're going to begin with the eyes. So we're going to get a nice circular eye here. Nice eye. Add a few eyelashes perhaps on both sides. Next we're going to move on to the ears. I like to put a little pink in the ear just so it's a little kid friendly. It looks nice, it's pretty. We want the pretty pumpkins here. Next we're going to move down to the nose. Again, another pink nose with a black smile and a pink tongue as well. And finally, we want whiskers because cats always have whiskers and they look so much cuter with them. So much cuter. So after that, we're about done.
And here we go, just like that, we have our beautiful cat. Thanks for watching our pumpkin painting tutorial. I hope you have a wonderful Halloween. Oh look, a bunny.